Top 5 Electric Kettles.
Top 5.
Durable borosilicate glass provides thermal shock protection and a pure, clean taste. Illuminated LED power switch lights up when kettle is on and automatically turns off when the water has reached a rolling boil. Lid opens slowly to control the release of steam and prevent hot water splatter. Perforated stainless steel filter strains water while you pour and is removable for easy cleaning. The kettle boils up to 1.75 liters of water faster than the microwave and safer than the stovetop. Features convenient ounce and milliliter markings allow for precise measuring.
Top 4.
Water kettle. Bistro water kettles are an effective and efficient way to boil the exact amount of water needed in minutes, perfect for coffee, tea, and instant soups. Heating element. Unexposed heating element is tucked away at the bottom and allows you to safely place your water kettle on any surface. Servings. Water kettle holds 17 ounces, enough to heat up to 4 cups of water. Voltage, 120 volts 60 Hz. Power, 700 W. 2-year manufacturer's limited warranty.
Top 3.
Variable temp electric kettle. 6 recommended temperature settings. 160 degrees Fahrenheit for delicate tea, 175 degrees Fahrenheit for green tea, 185 degrees Fahrenheit for white tea, 190 degrees Fahrenheit for oolong tea, 200 degrees Fahrenheit for French press coffee. And boil 212 degrees Fahrenheit for black tea or instant cocoa, oatmeal, noodles, and more. Keep warm tea kettles. It has a keep warm setting that turns on after it heats up and stays on for up to 2 hours. The keep warm feature is handy for the easily distracted as well. Auto shut off. The kettle automatically stops boiling when it hits the temperature you selected or if it runs dry. If you have any issues with our kettle, please contact us. We have 2-year warranty.
Top 2.
Boils water in flash. This electric kettle operates on 1100 watts, 120 volts, and boils a full 1.7 liters pot of water in less than 6 minutes. It is 50% more efficient than traditional stovetop kettles in reducing your daily electricity use. Cleanest drinking water. This fast heating boiler is BPA free. You'll be sure that what you'll get is clean drinking water that's safe for you and your kids. Year warranty on domestic, USA. Repairs and replacements on workmanship and materials from the date of purchase from an authorized reseller. International inquiries, please contact manufacturer customer service directly for better assistance.
Top 1.
1500 watt stainless steel cordless electric kettle with 1 2/3 liter capacity and concealed heating element. Dimensions 8.8 by 6.1 by 9.7 inches. Free. Cord length, 36 inches. 6 preset heat settings for steeping tea at just the right temperature. Blue LED indicator lights. Blue backlit water window. Removable/washable scale filter. Boil dry protection with auto safety shutoff. Concealed heating element to prevent mineral buildup. UC cubic 0. 47 feet. Limited 3-year. Check the description below on where to buy it.